All right. Who's still out there grabbing school supplies for their kiddos, or are you considering buying the kits from your kid's school? Well, I decided to dive into this year to see which option is more budget friendly so you don't have to. Stick around to the end and you can see the total price that I paid when I went and ordered all the items myself. And again, you do have the option to order from these private companies. There are a lot of companies out there. My child's school actually used SKU Kids by School Specialty, and they just have a designated code. You go to the website, you enter it in, and according to the grade, they will give you a price. For his kindergarten grade, it was about $65. The benefit of it is they deliver it to the school and you pick it up at orientation, so it's super convenient. Me, on the other hand, I had to order from Walmart. I had to order from Amazon because I was trying to be the more budget-friendly option. So I was comparing prices between multiple websites. A lot of items were selling out because of the time of year, and I had to pick up from multiple Walmart stores. The only benefit I can say is I was able to get more specialty items that I specifically wanted for my son. Another plus was the erasers, the glue sticks. They were a part of a 3-pack, so I ended up with more items. The pencils, that they only wanted 12 and I ended up 24, and it was more budget friendly for me. So this is the grand total. So what do you think? Is it worth it? Other things to consider are if you have multiple children. When you are buying items in bulk yourself, you can divvy them up amongst your multiple children. On the other hand of that is the opportunity cost of all of it. Do you have the time and do you want to put in the effort into going to multiple stores and going to multiple websites to order these school supplies? So please comment below and tell me which option you would go with and which one do you find the more budget-friendly option of the two.